Hello everyone, Amit Ora from EcoVisioner. I hope you have watched part 1 and part 2 in which we have explained the chapter financial management. In today's class part 3 will be हम करेंगे आज case studies and you all know that direct questions भी आते हैं पर BST में case studies form में भी questions आते हैं. That is very important. I hope you understand these case studies today. Let us start with the first case study, students. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, we have told you before that first we have to read the question and then go for the case study. So first we'll read the question here. What should Mr. Rajneesh decide about the capital structure after knowing the above situation? The question is based on capital structure. So here we have to concentrate only on debt and equity. तो ये capital structure का question है. Let us see what the case study says. Dua Limited is into manufacturing capital goods. Company plans to raise 20 crore for modernization of its operation. Mr. Rajneesh Dua, the chief finance officer, has to decide on the capital structure. You all know capital structure में debt और equity होता है. Some facts about the company is brought to his notice कि उस company के cash flows are weak and right now currently tax rates are low. So कैसा कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए? ज़्यादा इक्विटी शेयर्स की ज़्यादा डेट. एज कैश फ्लोज आर वीक वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू पे द इंटरेस्ट ऑन टाइम एंड तो जो हमारी इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट की लाइबिलिटी है वो हमें देनी ही होती है. सो अगर कैश फ्लो वीक है तो आई थिंक मिस्टर रजनीश वुड डिसाइड टू हैव मोर ऑफ इक्विटी दैन so more equity and less debt. So equity will be more. Let us jump to the second case study, student. Which financial decision is involved in it? For your information, students, you all know that there are three financial decisions. One is finance, second is investment, and third is dividend. Bharti Limited is a leading mobile company. It is planning to acquire any company. We have to invest the money. So no doubt, I don't think so there's any doubt in this answer. The financial decision involved in this will be investment decision, as we are investing 1,000 crores in acquiring the Queen's Limited. So the answer is investment. Question number 3. Again, I would request you to first read the question, comment on its working capital requirement. Working capital liquid, current assets minus current liabilities. तो आप उसकी वर्किंग कैपिटल डे टू डे वर्किंग के लिए इसको ज़्यादा कैपिटल चाहिए कि कम चाहिए? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन सर्टेन फैक्टर्स. लेट अस सी व्हाट दिस कंपनी इज इनटू. रोहन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बाइज टीवी सेट्स ऑन क्रेडिट. उनको उधार पे टीवी सेट्स मिल जाते हैं और वो कैश पे बेचते हैं. सो when credit is availed and credit given, credit is, they don't sell on credit and they can get their TVs on credit. That means they don't require much of working capital. So this company will be requiring less working capital. Yes, the answer is less working capital requirement. Let us jump to the next identify or case study based question. It's an identify question with suitable reasons. Comment on the fixed capital. इन दोनों अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस में किस कंपनी को ज्यादा और किस कंपनी को कम फिक्स कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट है? एसेट खरीदने की रिक्वायरमेंट, बिल्डिंग, फैक्ट्री, मशीन एंड इक्विपमेंट. लेट अस सी. अ कंस्ट्रक्शन फर्म व्हिच हैज प्रोविजन टू लीज, जिसको लीज पे मिल जाती है, मींस रेंट पे मिल जाती है. एज वी हैव डन इन आवर कोर्स इन आवर पार्ट 2 क्लास, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट अगर हमें लीज पे मिल जाए, हमें खरीदनी ना पड़े, तो वी रिक्वायर लेस फिक्स कैपिटल. एंड सेकेंड इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड मैन्युफैक्चरर. It's a manufacturer who has entered into a collaboration with a giant firm. So a large scale industry now. So the first one, A, will be requiring less fixed capital, whereas of course the second one requires, as it's a manufacturer, more fixed capital required. So electronic good manufacturer requires more fixed capital. Let us check our answer, students. Yes, less fixed capital in case of the first, A, and second is more fixed capital. Continuing with the case study, identify and explain the financial decision again taken by Vanshika and three factors. Vanshika is an enterprising British businesswoman and who has been running a fishery for past 10 years. She had saved 10 lakhs from her business. She shared with her family her desire to expand and utilize this money. Her family members gave her different suggestions like buying of new machinery, replacing the existing ones, and here by looking at these lines, opening a new branch. I personally feel that the decision, I have already got the answer. The decision is investment decision, capital budgeting decision, or you can say investment decision. And what are the three factors? We have already done our class. Three factors affecting our decision are cash flow of the project. She will see the return on investment, comparing it to the rate of interest, and she will also see the investment criteria involved. तो ये उसका investment decision है, और जो तीन factors हैं वो cash flow, return on investment, and investment criteria involved. Let us jump to the next question, students. Identify and explain the working capital requirement of the business. Quote lines in support. तो कितनी वर्किंग कैपिटल इस कंपनी को चाहिए, ज्यादा कि कम? लेट अस सी. Aman and Gurang have completed a degree in the interior designing and start the business of designing and producing furniture items. They produce furniture items. So as they are doing production, I feel that they require more working capital. They also provide service of layout and decor designing of the client space. In their field of business, they were not able to get the raw material and other inputs on credit. So if they are not getting raw material on credit and they have to pay cash on the purchase, so they require again more working capital. Since the project takes a long time to complete, तो production cycle भी लंबी है, payments from clients भी नहीं जल्दी मिलती हैं, although they have to pay the salaries regularly. They use some imported raw material which they have to import in large quantity and use as when needed. So ऊपर से पता लगता है कि काफ़ी points इस support में हैं कि this company requires more working capital. One, they are producers and they provide service of layout and they are also producers, so they require more working capital. Production cycle is long, so more working capital. They were not able to get the raw material. They were not able to get the raw material and other inputs on credit, so that is also more working capital. So long gestation period, production and no easy availability of raw material. ये सब points कहाँ point out करते हैं कि इस company को it requires more working capital. Coming to the identify question, identify the decisions of financial management from the following cases. Let us identify Mr. Himanshu, the finance manager. It deciding on the long-term capital requirement of the company. So he is planning to get the money from somewhere. If he is planning to get the money from somewhere, this is his finance decision. That is financing decision. पैसा कहाँ से उठाना है? That is a financing decision. Long-term capital requirement है, तो he has to decide on debt or equity. B. Mr. Akash, the production manager of Kunal Limited, advises the company to upgrade its existing plant. Upgrade करना है जिसमें 10 करोड़ रुपया invest होगा. So certainly investment decision by the company. So second is investment. How do I know cost of 10 crores to upgrade? This is investment in the fixed capital. Miss Ishi Gupta, the finance manager, was discussing one of the decisions of financial management affecting the growth, profitability and risk of the business. This is surely capital budgeting decision, or you can say long-term investment decision. This is long-term investment or capital budgeting decision. Then Miss Sakshi, the finance manager, is concerned about the liquidity and profitability of the company Liquidity and profitability is working capital requirement or short-term investment decision. This is working capital decision or your short-term investment decision. Mr. Tarun, the finance manager, decides to distribute 70% of its profit among shareholders and 30% as for further expansion. This is surely the last decision, that is appropriation of profit, that is the company's dividend decision. This is how we identify questions in board students. आपको ध्यान से पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है और फिर आपको अपने चैप्टर में से उसको लिंक करना है कि कौन सा है. रीड दैट लाइन अगेन एंड अगेन टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट आइडिया. जस्ट टू एंड आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द 3 decisions how to identify. The first decision is to get the money to do the business, that is financing decision. पैसा कहाँ से उठाना है, that is from debt or equity, that is known as financing decision. Second, वो पैसा लगाना होता है, we have to invest that money into fixed and working capital. तो जब वो मनी लगाते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन. और जब पैसा लगने के बाद पैसा कमा के आता है, जब कंपनी के पास पैसा आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉफिट. सो दैट प्रॉफिट हैज टू बी डिवाइडेड. After paying the tax, we have to divide the profit. One we have to give the shareholders and other we have to keep as retained earnings. So that decision is known as dividend decision. So these are the case studies involved in financial management. And students and teachers, you can go for downloading our EcoVisioneer app and give it a try. Buy Business Treasure book. We have made a very good book of objective type questions which has fill in the blanks, MCQs, one word answers, match the following, every 1 marker we have made. Then we also have a comprehensive business studies simplified book which has complete course in question and answer form, and it also has 10 solved sample papers. We also request students and actually teachers to motivate their students to participate in EcoVisioneer International Olympiad. Is the 4th year we are doing it. Buy complete course videos with study material for your student just for rupees 1500 from our EcoVisioneer app. For any of the above items or details, you can contact us, WhatsApp us on 9891203546, or you can mail us at ecovisioneer@gmail.com. Thank you, teachers and students. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.